un autobus, a bus. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the transport in French. So let's start. The French for public transport is les transports publics or les transports en commun. So let's see a list of transport. Une voiture, a car. Un vélo, a bike. Un scooter, a scooter. This is a scooter with the engine, like a Vespa type scooter. Une moto, a motorbike. Une mobilette, a moped. Un autobus, a bus. Note that in the spoken language we say un bus. Un autocar, a coach. And note that here again in the spoken language we will say un car. Un taxi, a taxi. Un bateau, a boat. Un ferry, a ferry. Un train, a train. Le TER, the Regional Express Train. These three letters stand for Train Express Régional. Le TGV, the high-speed train. And these three letters, they stand for Train à grande vitesse. Un avion, an aeroplane. Le tramway, the tramway. And here in the spoken language we will say le tram. Le métro, the underground. Un skateboard, a skateboard. Note that in the spoken language younger generations say un skate. Les rollers, rollerblades. La trottinette, the scooter. This is like a child scooter or an electric scooter. Un camion, a truck or lorry. Une camionnette, a van. Here note that the suffix et is used in French to say a smaller version of something. So une camionnette is a smaller version of un camion. Un camping-car, a camper van. This word is part of a long list of French words sounding English. Un hélicoptère, a helicopter, and une montgolfière, a hot air balloon. If you want to translate the preposition by in French, use en. So I can say, je vais au bureau en voiture. I go to the office by car. Or, je vais au parc en vélo. I go to the park by bike or on the bike. That's it for the transports. I hope you have enjoyed this video. À bientôt!